Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking honey glazed salmon. Let's do it. Okay, our skillet is hot already. We're gonna put our butter. Okay. We're gonna let the butter melt thoroughly. Now our butter is melted, totally melted. We're gonna put our garlic. Okay. And then saute this for just a minute. Now it's been a minute. Now we're gonna add our honey. Okay. Then we're gonna add our lemon juice. Then give it 30 seconds. We're gonna put our salmon. Okay. Now it's time to put our salmon. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna cook this for around 3 minutes. And while we're cooking this, we're gonna continue basting it, okay? We're gonna baste it with its juice, with its sauce here. Okay. Okay, this is ready now for broiling. We're going to broil it in the oven for around 4 minutes and it will be done. While we are broiling the salmon in the oven, we are trying to warm up the our skillet here, the serving skillet. So it will be ready when our salmon is done. Here's our finished product, honey glazed salmon. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.